Hi, good morning to Anandal. Welcome to Navya IT Solutions. We are discussing about the computer applications in pharmacy practical experiments. Okay, in up to extra day class, we did completing the ninth experiment. Okay, ninth experiment. Today our concept is creating and working with queries in MS Access. If you know, okay, database engineer, if in case little bit amount knowledge in the database engineer do the to operating in the queries. Okay, like already if anyone is know the CS student, the CS students dealing with the queries like select star from table, select star from group by so on so fields, so on so columns. This is the CS student is doing the some operations on the database. But as a our computer application student, pharmacy student, just we know the how to creating the queries. Okay, how to sorting the data, how to already we know the how to create the database, how to insert the data, how to modify the data already existing table, how to delete the data, how to add the new data, you know. Okay, after that entire table, okay, after that entire table you will retrieve the data some only so on some fields only. But I want my database is having the so and so table called table 1 is the table name. In this table I want to gender, that means gender, different genders are available. But my client is asking the only I want to display the only males candidates. Okay, male patient only. That time you will must and should put in the one query. Okay, next I want to like one of the specialist is coming to only treatment on the own, he is doing the only HIV patients. Okay, that time the client, the management is asking just display the how many HIV patients are available our hospital. That time you can usually like write on the one query. Okay, after completing the query, just to put in that, execute the query, you will get the entire data. If in case your database table is having the, if in case your database table is having the thousands of data, in this thousands of data filter the only HIV patient is little bit complicated without writing the any query. Okay, but today in this video I will create the queries, sorting the data in ascending order or descending order. You can write the query in any field. Okay, any field. Right, now I am opening the my database, my database name equal to cap. In this cap I am creating the another table. Okay, already in I was still in yesterday class I am working on the only patient information. But today class I am already creating. Why? Because already creating I am creating the database and inserting the data number of data. I am adding to near to 30 records, 30 members of data. It will take lengthy time. Okay, if you are the fresher you will must and should go through the fifth video. Okay, already in this fifth video I am mentioning each and everything, how to create the design the table, after that how to save the design table, after inserting the data. That's enough. So here I am creating the another table, that is the table 1. Okay, in this table 1 I am my field names is, okay, my fields names is patient name, gender, age, disease, treatment, HB. Okay, in this patient name equal to shortest, gender equal to so and so, like male, female, others. Already you know how to create the our own data types. Next, age equal to number. Disease is also short list. That means different diseases names I have mentioned by using the lookup wizard. Okay, treatment means just first time, second time, third time, fourth time. How many times that particular patient is visiting the hospital. Last one is the HP, is the integer number. Right after that, just go to the data sheet view. You will get the entire data sheet. Right, up to 28th records are I am inserting. Okay, already you know in extra class I am telling about the retrieval the data. I want to just display the patient name, gender. Out of 6 columns, out of 6 fields, I want to retrieve the only 2 fields. That is the retrieval of the data by using the MS Access. Okay, same manner. Okay, same manner. I want gender. If in case client is asking just to display the how many others are available in this hospital, that time even must and should enter the others in query. Age. The like management is asking, I want to how many students, sorry, how many patients are there in 25, 25 years members, age of the 25 years. If in case management is asking how many HIV patients are available in this hospital, that time you will just mentioning the HIV query. Okay, right. Now just to go to the same how to do the in previous panel, just to go to the create. After that query wizard. Okay, here also simple query wizard. Here I want to only printing the all the fields. Okay, next, finish. Any changes? No, this is the retrieve of the data. Okay, this is the only retrieve of the data. But I want to creating the queries. Okay, creating the queries. Here I am mentioning to modify the query design. In previous we are using the open the query to view information only, but here I want to changing to domain. Okay, open the query to view information to modify the query design. Just click on the here, finish. All right. See, now I want to asking. Okay, the management is asking. I want to display the only patient information, otherwise patient name, gender, age. Just unselect the check boxes. Here run the button. You will get the only patient name, gender and age. Okay, you will get the patient name, gender, age. But the client is asking, I want to only print to the age and gender and disease. Okay, just unselect the patient name. Okay, unselect the gender, age, disease. That's it. Run the query. You will get the only gender, age, and disease. Alright. Yes. This is the two query design. Okay, query design. But the client is asking. Okay, I want to display the entire data. The age is ascending order. The age is ascending order. Just go to the age. Here, ascending order means small to largest, right? In previous, what is the like in common 27, 26. But I want to smallest to largest. Just click on the here, you will get the entire data. 12, 21, 21, 21, 22, 23, 23, 23, 24. This is the ascending order. Yes or no? Like client is asking if in case the descending order, why? Because to the okay, descending order, that means largest to lowest. 65, 65, 54, 54. All right. Yes. But my in this next scenario, the client is asking. Okay. Next scenario, the client is asking, I want entire data, display the entire data just put in the all the checkbox, run the command, you will get the entire data. In this entire data, okay, in this entire data, I want gender only females. If in case client is entering to the male, if you will get the entire male information. If client is entering to the female, you will get the entire female data. That time you will mentioning the query within the square brackets. Okay, within the square brackets, enter any gender. Okay, enter any gender. That's it. Now here run the button. Enter any gender. Okay, I want only male candidates. Only male candidates are disregards. Yes or no? Only male gender candidates. Only male candidates are available. Next, the client is entering to the the client is entering to the just to run the query gender equal to others. I want to get in the only others data. Right? If in case client is asking to the only female data, okay, only female data, run the query. Here just typing the female. Okay, this is the entire female data. Right. Now client is asking another question. Like in this hospital, how many HIV patients are available? How many HIV patients are available? That time here just write the query. Same. Enter the which patients count. Okay, count. Here just to remove it, run the command. Enter the which patient count. I want to HIV patients. Okay, only HIV patient. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, but the next query is client is asking, I want to patient HIV patient only at the age of the 25 years. Okay, at the age of 25 years, enter the age. Enter the age. Run the command, enter the age equal to 25. Okay, next enter the patient count equal to HIV. HIV patients. Only 25. Okay, only 25. Yes or no? One of the gender equal to other. Second gender equal to female. Okay, this is the you are mentioning to different queries. Okay, if in case you want to filtering the gender, otherwise is ascending order or descending order, otherwise this is either HIV patient or tuber glass, otherwise cancer, you will get the only particular information, that is the sorting techniques. Okay, sorting techniques by using the query. In this same in SQL database, we must and should write the queries. Like example, select star from any table, select star from so and so table, select star from in this in place of star selection you want to only gender and age and treatment, just gender comma age comma treatment from so and so table. You will get the entire data in Excel query. But here we want to mention the Microsoft Access database, Microsoft MS database. You can must and should creating the queries. If you want to two queries, first write down the first query and after that write down the second query. You will execute the two queries. You will must and should getting the data. Okay, if in case I want to mention in the third query also, okay, third query also, just what is the my third query? Treatment equal to only first. Here, just write down the query first time. Just run the command. Execute the three queries. First, enter the age equal to 25. Next, patient count HIV. Next, first time. First time. This is the only patient name equal to money, gender equal to female, age equal to 25, disease equal to HIV, treatment equal to first time. Okay. This is the ninth experiment of the our syllabus. Okay. My dear students, if you have any doubt, just put in the comment box. Okay. I will give the reply. You follow the entire playlist, you will get the some idea about the Microsoft Access database. You are skipping to video now, I can't do anything. Okay, this is the entire data. Now I am writing the query. Just to removing the all queries, display the all columns. Display the all columns. That's it. Right. In this database, I will give the my entire description. If you want this database, go through my description and download the database. Right. Yeah. This is the today class. Okay, guys. Bye bye. See you next class.